Five, four, three, two,
In the heart of a hidden vault, buried deep within the annals of history, lies a secret that's been guarded by the shroud of secrecy for centuries. Michio Kaku, the world-renowned American theoretical physicist, has stumbled upon a treasure trove of photos hidden away by the Soviet Union, never meant to see the light of day. But why were these photographs kept a secret? What is their significance? And why has Professor Kaku risked it all to bring them to the forefront of scientific discovery? The answers lie within these snapshots of a bygone era, a time when the world was on the brink of a cataclysmic change. Join us as Michio Kaku peel back the layers of secrecy and unveil the stunning reason behind the Soviet Union's long-kept secret and their deafening silence: the space race. During the intense Cold War standoff between the Soviet Union and the United States, an exhilarating competition unfolded. But this wasn't a race waged on battlefields. It was a contest to conquer the vast expanse of outer space. Both nations were resolute in their determination to outshine each other in the realm of space exploration, ceaselessly pursuing extraordinary milestones. The rivalry between the Soviet Union and NASA acted as a potent catalyst, propelling remarkable advancements in space technology. They launched astronauts into the boundless cosmos, sent satellites soaring into the heavens, and delved into the mysteries of the moon and beyond. The Soviet Union harbored ambitious aspirations within its space program, aiming to transcend Earth's atmosphere and accomplish feats of unparalleled significance. Their groundbreaking achievements, such as launching Sputnik, the world's first artificial satellite, both astonished and kindled inspiration in people across the globe. Meanwhile, NASA tirelessly focused on unraveling the riddles of Mars and Jupiter, while the Soviet Union cast its gaze toward another celestial body, Venus. In a historic triumph, the Soviet Union became the inaugural nation to successfully land a spacecraft on the challenging terrain of Venus in 1970. How did they accomplish this daring feat on such an inhospitable planet? The Soviet Union etched its name into the annals of space exploration with the successful landing of the Venera 7 spacecraft in 1970. This mission was truly remarkable, given that Venus, despite its similarities to Earth in size and mass, is an exceedingly hostile environment. The journey to conquer Venus was a feat laden with challenges. Picture this: the atmospheric pressure on Venus is a staggering 92 times greater than that on Earth. It's like descending nearly a kilometer deep into Earth's oceans, an immense weight pressing down. Then there's the searing heat. Venus's atmosphere is mainly carbon dioxide, mingled with traces of sulfuric acid and other gases. The runaway greenhouse effect on this planet is fierce, trapping heat and earning Venus the title of the hottest entity in our solar system. Its average surface temperature soars to a blistering 460 degrees Celsius, a level of heat that can liquefy lead. Adding to the intrigue is Venus's robust magnetic field, a powerful shield warding off the relentless assaults of solar wind. This celestial force births electrically charged storms and stunning displays of cosmic lightning, painting the Venusian sky in mesmerizing hues. Considering these cosmic variables, Venus emerges as an incredibly daunting realm to explore. It stands as a formidable challenge for any intrepid spacefarer. The environment is unforgiving, featuring extreme conditions and a lack of direct communication with our home planet, making it the most demanding destination to successfully touch down upon. Despite these adversities, the Soviet Union persisted in its hunger for space exploration. Venus, with all its inhospitable glory, became the perfect obstacle to overcome, proof of their prowess and superiority in the realm of space exploration. Indeed, the Soviet Union achieved the remarkable feat of conquering Venus, a triumph etched into the annals of space exploration history. The Venera mission programs. The Soviet Union's unwavering quest for knowledge set the stage for an extraordinary series of missions aimed at unraveling the enigmas of Venus. Among them, Venera 1 stands out as a remarkable probe. This space behemoth weighed a staggering 1,400 pounds, proof of the colossal effort invested in its construction. Similar to its successors, Venera 1 boasted an interior meticulously pressurized to slightly over 1 atmosphere. This painstaking detail served a crucial purpose: to ensure the flawless operation of its instruments by maintaining a stable temperature within its chambers. It was a feat of scientific ingenuity, ensuring the probe's functionality in the harsh cosmic environment. Venera 1 embarked on an audacious mission that aimed to journey beyond Earth's orbit. However, fate had different plans, and this intrepid explorer fell short of reaching its intended destination. Nevertheless, the Soviet Union remained undeterred, learning valuable lessons from their first attempt. On February 12, 1961, they launched a second endeavor, but this mission too encountered a setback on its route to Venus. Despite its valiant efforts, it couldn't make it to its target, but it did manage to come tantalizingly close, within a mere 62,000 miles of the captivating planet. Then came Venera 2, a spacecraft bearing a striking resemblance to its predecessor, Venera 1. It was tailor-made for a daring mission to soar past the cryptic Venus. Its primary objective was to capture valuable data and transmit it back to our home planet, Earth. On February 27, 1966, this valiant probe completed its flyby, venturing within a mere 15,000 miles of its target. It promised to be a historic achievement, but tragedy struck. The spacecraft succumbed to the formidable challenge of overheating, and its signals went silent, forever lost in the vast expanse of space. The fate of Venera 2 remains shrouded in uncertainty, whether it met its untimely demise before or after its encounter with Venus. Despite these setbacks, the Soviet Union's determination to explore Venus remained steadfast. They continued their relentless pursuit of knowledge about our mysterious neighbor Venus through the next 4 spacecraft in the Venera series, Venera 3 through 6. These missions were specifically designed to delve deeper into Venus's infernal atmosphere and uncover its secrets. Each of these spacecraft was not lightweight. They tipped the scales at around 2,000 pounds. Equipped with an array of sophisticated sensors, they promised to deliver a wealth of information. However, not all of these missions bore fruit. Venera 3 marked a historic milestone as the first spacecraft to successfully land on our sister planet. Unfortunately, its landing was far from ideal, ending in a crash on the Venusian surface. On the other hand, Venera 4, during its descent through Venus's thick atmosphere on October 18, 1967, managed to spend over 90 minutes collecting invaluable data. It discovered the absence of a global magnetic field and detected high levels of carbon dioxide in the Venusian air, confirming expectations. Eventually, it succumbed to the scorching conditions and melted under the planet's relentless heat. In January 1969, Venera 5 and Venera 6 made their debut, launching just 5 days apart. Sharing an identical design, these spacecraft plunged into Venus's atmosphere with the ability to take precise measurements. They gathered crucial data on temperature, pressure, and composition of the environment. Although they closely resembled Venera 4, they were constructed with enhanced robustness. The spacecraft's descent probe was enclosed within a bus with a mass of 1,130 kilograms. The spherical probe weighed 405 kilograms and could withstand decelerations of up to 450 Gs. To facilitate faster descent and reach lower altitudes while remaining functional, thinner parachutes were planned for Venera 5 and 6. The instruments would be exposed to the environment when the probe's top was expelled, allowing the parachute to deploy. The Venera 7 mission took a significant leap forward with an advanced descent module designed to achieve a gentle landing on Venus. It was heavily fortified to withstand the harsh surface conditions, representing a remarkable step in the ongoing exploration of our fiery neighbor in the cosmos. The historic flight, taking off on August 17, 1970, unfolded with mostly successful outcomes. Venera 7 achieved a triumphant touchdown on December 15, 1970. However, it wasn't a smooth descent. It underwent approximately 32 minutes of free fall before making contact with the ground at a speed of roughly 38 miles per hour. Initially, there was a sense of failure, but perseverance prevailed. Venera 7 eventually transmitted valuable data. It revealed that the Venusian surface was a searing 900 degrees Fahrenheit, similar to the scorching heat of a brick pizza oven. During the descent, the probe's pressure sensor malfunctioned, but resourceful scientists made the most of the available data. They estimated that the surface pressure on Venus was an astounding 92 bars, equivalent to the crushing weight experienced more than half a mile below the ocean's surface. This feat marked a significant achievement in humanity's quest to understand the mysteries of Venus, despite the challenges and uncertainties along the way. Venera 8 made its dramatic landing on Venus on July 22, 1972, following in the footsteps of its predecessor, Venera 7. However, this time, the lander gracefully held its ground, avoiding a tumble. This achievement hinted at the possibility of future cameras capturing the stark beauty of Venus, despite its unforgiving atmosphere. The lander accomplished this feat by cleverly measuring the ambient light levels on the planet's surface. The subsequent missions, Venera 9 through Venera 12, have become renowned for their profound contributions to our understanding of Venus. These hefty probes, each weighing over 11,000 pounds, left an indelible mark. What sets them apart is their landers, equipped with cameras capable of capturing direct images of Venus's uncanny surface. Between 1975 and 1978, these daring missions ventured to Venus. Although some of their cameras faced technical hiccups due to stubborn lens covers, a few managed to defy the odds and transmit the very first images from the surface of our solar system's second planet. The images, like snapshots from a strange alien realm, displayed sharp, detailed views of a rocky landscape stretching far into the horizon. The wide-angle lenses used lent a unique, somewhat distorted quality to the images, adding to their otherworldly appeal. These historic photographs didn't just showcase the Venusian surface, they also revealed the distinctive design of the Soviet landers, with their unmistakable features etched against the backdrop of an alien world. These missions marked significant milestones in our exploration of Venus, unveiling its secrets through the lens of pioneering Soviet technology. In 1981, the Soviet Union launched the Venera 13 and 14 probes, equipped with more advanced landers compared to their predecessors, Venera 9 through 12. What made these landers stand out was their ability to tune into the speed of the Venusian wind, achieved through innovative acoustic devices. They would soon reveal a wealth of information about our neighboring planet. On the other hand, Venera 15 and Venera 16, weighing over 9,000 pounds each, had a different mission profile. These spacecraft couldn't carry landers, but they featured cutting-edge radar-based imaging equipment. Operating from elliptical orbits, they could survey the entire planet from a safe distance. While Pioneer 12 was the first to use radar for Venus mapping, the resolution of the maps produced by Venera 15 and 16 was a remarkable improvement, providing detail down to nearly a mile per pixel. The data they sent back unveiled vast areas of the harsh Venusian landscape, showcasing impact craters, towering peaks, and lava-flooded basins in breathtaking detail. Among these missions, Venera 13, which successfully landed on Venus in 1982, marked a monumental achievement. This intrepid probe was armed with a camera capable of capturing images in 4 vibrant colors. It accomplished this feat using a rotating mirror and a filter wheel, pioneering color photography on an alien celestial body. The resulting photographs portrayed a stark, lifeless landscape dominated by rocks and soil. The predominant color was a yellowish-orange hue, a consequence of Venus's dense atmosphere. Beyond imagery, Venera 13 gathered critical data on air and ground temperatures, pressure, wind speed, and chemical composition. Interestingly, traces of organic molecules were detected, hinting at the tantalizing possibility of past life on Venus, further fueling the intrigue of this mysterious planet. The Soviet Union's relentless pursuit of knowledge about Venus paved the way for groundbreaking discoveries. Remarkable achievement of Venera probes. Despite exhaustive exploration, the Venera probes unveiled a stark truth. Venus, a planet shrouded in mystery, showed no signs of life. Not a trace of oceans, lakes, or even a solitary drop of water graced this desolate world. However, their relentless investigations offered priceless insights into the extreme environments of alien planets, enriching our understanding of the vast differences between these celestial bodies and our own Earth. While the absence of life might appear disheartening, the Venera probes delivered a treasure trove of revelations. Take Venera 13, for instance. It etched its name in history by capturing the strange sounds of Venus's winds. This momentous achievement marked the first instance of recording sound on a planet other than our own, etching a memorable chapter in our journey of space exploration. The legacy of the Venera probes endures, sparking new endeavors to comprehend our celestial neighbors. Yet, Venera 13's significance extends beyond its audial feat. Initially designed for a mere 45 minutes of operation, the lander surpassed all expectations, persevering for an astounding 127 minutes on Venus's hostile surface. During this extended mission, it astounded scientists by transmitting stunning color photographs of the planet's austere and desolate terrain, a landscape unlike any witnessed before. But the surprises didn't cease there. Venera 13 plunged into the Venusian soil, or regolith, and conducted a detailed analysis of a sample. This groundbreaking moment marked humanity's inaugural endeavor to study the composition of another planet's soil, furthering our quest to unlock the secrets of our neighboring worlds and reaffirming the indomitable spirit of exploration that drives us forward in our celestial journey. Now, it's time for today's subscriber pick. Deep within the dimly lit archives of a secret Soviet facility, a photograph lay shrouded in mystery. It had been captured decades ago, amidst the perilous depths of Venus, a planet known for its inhospitable and puzzling nature. The photo, initially hidden from the world's gaze, depicted an otherworldly landscape, its terrain twisted by the forces of an alien world. Then, in a twist of fate, the renowned physicist Michio Kaku stumbled upon the photograph while conducting clandestine research. With trembling hands, he unveiled this relic from a forgotten era. Its discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Scientists are panicking over the declassified photos from Venus by the Soviet Union. The image, bathed in strange, unearthly hues, revealed towering mountains of jagged crystal and skies lit by ethereal auroras. Kaku's revelation ignited a frenzy of questions. What had the Soviets discovered on Venus? Was it evidence of ancient civilizations or proof of extraterrestrial life? The world held its breath as experts dissected the image, seeking answers buried beneath layers of secrecy. As Kaku delved deeper into the riddle, he uncovered documents suggesting a massive cover-up. The Soviets had hidden their findings for fear of global panic. The photograph, proof of human exploration and the mysteries of the cosmos, became a symbol of mankind's insatiable curiosity. The revelation led to unprecedented international cooperation, reigniting the flame of space exploration. But could the Soviet Union have truly hidden these findings for fear of global panic? Did they intentionally classify these mind-bending photos due to the space race saga? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Composition of Venus soil. Venera 13 truly achieved a pivotal milestone by digging into the Venusian soil, known as regolith, and conducting an analysis. This groundbreaking endeavor marked humanity's first examination of another planet's soil. The insights gained were astonishing, unveiling the presence of crucial elements such as titanium and iron on Venus. It's truly a marvel that we could gather such profound knowledge about a planet located over 100 million kilometers away, a feat accomplished during the 1980s. However, as our understanding of Venus deepened, a stark reality emerged. It's highly improbable for Venus to sustain life as we know it. Its atmosphere, almost 100 times denser than Earth's, and scorching surface temperatures present formidable challenges. Venus, far from being a tranquil tropical paradise, paints a formidable image with its unique backward rotation and the absence of oceans or bodies of water similar to those on our blue planet. Despite these inhospitable conditions, our exploration of Venus is far from over. Phosphine on Venus. In the early days of fall in 2020, the scientific world was abuzz with a startling revelation from researchers at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. They had made a groundbreaking discovery: the presence of phosphine gas in the atmosphere of Venus. This was no ordinary finding. It had the potential to signify the existence of life. Adding an extra layer of intrigue to this revelation was the possibility of hidden evidence in the archives of a NASA mission that took place over 40 years ago. This mission was the Pioneer Venus Multiprobe mission, conducted on December 1978. During this mission, 4 probes were released into the Venusian atmosphere. One of these probes was larger than the rest and boasted an advanced instrument known as the Large Probe Neutral Mass Spectrometer, or LNMS for short. The primary role of the LNMS was to identify molecules in the atmosphere by measuring their speed upon collision with a detector. Initially, it was primarily used to measure well-known molecules like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and argon, already established to exist in Venus's atmosphere. However, the intriguing possibility emerged that the sensitivity of the LNMS might not have been limited to detecting these known molecules alone. It might have been capable of detecting others, including the elusive phosphine, a discovery that could rewrite our understanding of Venus and its potential for harboring life. This revelation marked a significant turning point in our quest to unveil the mysteries of our celestial neighbors. Recently, Rakesh Moghul, a professor of biological chemistry at California State Polytechnic University, Pomona, embarked on a fascinating journey into the past. He decided to revisit the data collected by the Large Probe Neutral Mass Spectrometer from the Pioneer Venus Multiprobe mission dating back about 4 decades. In doing so, he and his team stumbled upon intriguing findings that may suggest the presence of phosphine, a gas that could hint at the possibility of life. This discovery added yet another layer of intrigue to the ongoing exploration of Venus and the riddles it may conceal. Moghul proposes a thought-provoking theory. The scientists involved in the original mission might have unintentionally overlooked the detection of phosphine. Their primary focus had been on analyzing the general properties of Venus's atmosphere, concentrating on more familiar elements. Moghul raises another, more ambiguous theory. He speculates that the information about phosphine may have been intentionally kept under wraps. This secrecy could have been a strategic maneuver, possibly aimed at gaining an advantage over the rest of the world, particularly the US, which was predominantly focused on Mars and other celestial bodies at the time. While global attention was diverted elsewhere in the solar system, the Pioneer Venus team might have been quietly unearthing deeper insights from the treasure trove of data collected from Venus. However, the situation is not entirely straightforward. An overlooked detail might hold greater significance than initially thought. If Moghul's interpretation of the Pioneer Venus mission data proves accurate, it could swiftly validate the recent phosphine discovery made by the MIT team, opening up exciting possibilities for the study of Venus and the quest for signs of life beyond Earth. While the recent findings regarding phosphine on Venus have sparked excitement, not everyone in the scientific community is convinced that the Large Probe Neutral Mass Spectrometer from the Pioneer Venus Multiprobe mission was sensitive enough to detect it. Mikhail Zolotov, a planetary scientist from Arizona State University, offers an alternative perspective. He suggests that what the LNMS might have actually detected is not pure phosphine, but rather a mixture of gases rich in phosphorus and hydrogen sulfide. If this is the case, it implies the potential presence of phosphine in greater abundance than what the MIT team initially reported. This discrepancy has raised questions and generated debate within the scientific community. Unfortunately, the opportunity to cross-check and verify these theories remains out of reach at the moment. The data from the Pioneer Venus mission is meticulously preserved on microfilm at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center. Regrettably, the archive is currently restricted, preventing researchers from delving into potentially revealing information. Dr. David Williams, the acting head of the NASA Space Science Data Coordinated Archive, has indicated that efforts are underway to obtain permission to convert the microfilm data into a digital format. This transition would facilitate a comprehensive examination of the data without the need to handle the original physical records. Once this transformation is achieved, scientists will have the chance to explore and scrutinize the data further, shedding more light on the mysteries of Venus and the presence of phosphine in its atmosphere. Possibility of life on Venus. The detection of phosphine on Venus sparked a remarkable wave of excitement within the scientific community. Phosphine is a gas that can potentially be produced by living organisms, opening the door to the tantalizing prospect of extraterrestrial life on our neighboring planet. However, it's imperative to exercise caution in interpreting these findings. While this revelation is undeniably thrilling, it falls short of being definitive proof of life on Venus, at least for now. To confidently affirm the presence of phosphine on Venus and its potential biological origin, we need more data. This could involve dispatching specialized atmospheric probes capable of directly detecting this gas, or conducting a meticulous examination of archived data from past Venus missions. Systematically collecting and rigorously analyzing additional data will empower scientists to substantiate the existence of phosphine and make a more informed assessment regarding its source, whether biological or non-biological. Validating these findings is of paramount importance. The prospect of life beyond Earth represents a groundbreaking discovery that could reshape our understanding of the universe and our place within it. However, in the pursuit of such monumental revelations, it is equally crucial to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the data. Therefore, scientists remain steadfast in their quest to explore Venus and scrutinize its data. Their goal is to confirm the presence of phosphine and uncover other potential indicators of life on this ambiguous planet. If successful in their endeavors, this could shift the focus of space exploration back to Venus, with renewed efforts to uncover evidence suggesting the possibility of a planet similar to a second Earth. Such a discovery could fundamentally alter the way we perceive our position in the cosmos, marking a significant milestone in our quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe. The implication of these mysterious photos. The exploration of Venus has been a collaborative endeavor involving several international space agencies. Notable contributors include the European Space Agency and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. The United States, too, has left its mark on Venus's exploration with missions like Pioneer 12 and the remarkably successful Magellan. However, it's the Soviet Venera program that stands as the most extensive and enduring series of missions to Venus. Despite its tremendous success, the Soviet Union closely guarded its findings. Photos from Venus were considered state secrets, part of a calculated strategy to maintain an edge in the intense space race with the United States. In recent times, the unveiling of declassified photos from Venus during a presentation by Michio Kaku, a luminary in theoretical physics and cosmology, has ignited the curiosity of space enthusiasts worldwide. Kaku's profound understanding of the fundamental laws governing the universe has made him a guiding star in scientific exploration. He navigates uncharted territories with unwavering expertise. Kaku's passion for space exploration and science fiction has driven him to pen numerous enlightening books, each acting as a celestial beacon illuminating the mysteries of the cosmos. Beyond the written word, he has graced interstellar airwaves as a host, guiding eager minds through the wonders of the universe in a constellation of television shows dedicated to these captivating subjects. In a recent expedition, the intrepid explorer had the privilege of delivering a captivating presentation at a prestigious interstellar conference. With boundless enthusiasm, they unveiled a treasure trove of declassified photographs, offering a glimpse into our ventures to the inscrutable planet of Venus. The presentation was a masterful exploration of the profound significance and far-reaching implications of these findings for our understanding of Venus. During this engaging presentation, Michio Kaku skillfully pointed out intriguing details within the Venus photographs, shedding light on the mysteries of this enigmatic planet and encouraging a deeper dive into its secrets. One of the most thrilling discoveries was the visual evidence of widespread volcanic activity on Venus, manifested in the form of awe-inspiring lava flows and craters. These striking features opened a window into the planet's tumultuous geological history, hinting at a once vibrant volcanic past. Moreover, the presence of water erosion evidence, including polished rocks and intricately carved channels, was equally compelling. These findings prompted researchers to speculate about Venus's original temperature and the tantalizing possibility of water's presence on its surface. As we looked into these captivating pictures, it became evident that Venus possessed a rich mineralogy, as evidenced by the diverse hues and textures of the rocks. The captivating discovery unveiled a complex geological puzzle on Venus, a riddle that beckons for further exploration. Michio Kaku, with his keen eye, pointed out several intriguing observations during his presentation. Notably, he highlighted the uncanny resemblance of certain rocks on Venus to those found on Earth and Mars. This similarity fuels our curiosity, hinting at the possibility of a shared ancestry or evolutionary history among these three neighboring planets, a notion that had not previously graced our imaginations. Amid the new insights, mysteries still shrouded Venus. Bright areas and enigmatic dark regions tantalized scientists with the potential for both biological and geological activity. These puzzles posed a provocative challenge that demanded an investigation. Contemplating the future of Venus exploration, Kaku pondered the lingering unknowns. Many have puzzled over why Venus, despite its similar size and location to Earth, is so drastically different. Scientists continued to speculate about the planet's historical temperature and whether it ever harbored seas and life. The discussion extended to the possibilities and complexities of sending humans or robots to Venus. Kaku delved into the uncharted territory that brave individuals might explore once they set foot on this puzzling planet. The exploration community felt drawn to Venus due to its immense potential for groundbreaking discoveries hidden in its uncharted terrain. In addition, Kaku emphasized the importance of not dismissing Venus in favor of other celestial attractions. He underscored that Venus holds the potential to revolutionize our understanding of planetary dynamics and the cosmos. In closing, Michio Kaku delivered a passionate plea to continue the exploration of Venus with unyielding curiosity and boundless creativity. He stressed that persistent investigation could unlock the planet's secrets and provide insights that might even aid in addressing Earth's challenges, such as global warming. The inspiring presentation left many enthusiastic about embarking on a new chapter of Venus exploration, driven by an insatiable thirst for knowledge. The return to Venus. This groundbreaking discovery has injected a new dimension into the relentless quest for extraterrestrial life, leading to a seismic shift at NASA. The budget initially earmarked for a Neptune probe was swiftly reallocated, giving rise to two cutting-edge Venus probes, Veritas and Da Vinci. These intrepid spacecraft are poised to embark on a mission of unprecedented significance, poised to definitively address the age-old question: does life exist on Venus? Meanwhile, there's an exhilarating twist in this cosmic race. India, a burgeoning force in space exploration, is poised to join the fray. They're preparing to launch their own Venus probe, Shukrian, next year. Shukrian will delve deep into the Venusian atmosphere, aiming to unravel its cryptic mysteries. The competition among these probes promises a thrilling space race, one that could potentially rewrite our understanding of the cosmos. What are your thoughts on this issue? Do you think there's a chance that Venus might become suitable for human habitation in the future? Let us know your opinions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.